Alright, so I'm not going to make a video on a midterm study guide today. I'm just going to be doing the more immediate thing, the Chapter 6 test, which is Monday. This is the exact same thing as what's going to be on a test. And I already did it, so you can see I'm going to walk through it, so you can get a hang of it. I haven't verified these answers to be correct, but I got 100 on the last test, so they should be correct, hopefully. Now, this first question is asking us to write 3 different ways to do, like, this progression. It's the same thing. We're in F major, that's B flat. We have a major 1 and then a major 4 chord. Major 1, major 4, and so on. What's asking is us to write this major 4 chord in 3 different ways. Each chord needs to contain 2 roots, a third and a fifth. So a major 4 chord in F major would be B flat D F. So we need to do that. So for this first one, I'm just going to put a D here above the B, and add an F here, and B above that. You have 2 roots, 2 B flats, a D, and an F. This looks good to me. No parallel thirds, fourths, fifths. It's all looking good. So this is what I got for number 1. Now number 2, we have to do it differently. So I just went off on a whim here and said, alright, have to do it differently. Let's start off with getting the 2 roots out of the way. So just double the root, 2 B flats there, all good. A D can easily be placed here, and so, and an F can too. Let's fix with everything. Parallel thirds between the top 2 are okay. This is okay too. And it doesn't matter what's in between here for this question, as they are entirely separate. Now number 3, I actually had a bit of trouble doing it. What I did is put a D above here. Actually, let me get out my commandment sheet. So I think I got that with me. Yeah, so something we have to make sure of is, let me find it. There shall have no more than an octave between upper adjacent 3 voices. So between the top voice, soprano, and the second to bottom voice, the tenor, it can't be more than an octave. So this one is quite hard. I did 2 easy ones already, and now we have the 3rd hard one to get through. So, you think, what if I put the tenor as an F? Like way up here, like we have C, D, E, F. Right there. And if it wasn't right here, it'd be the same exact note as this F. Alright, now, and double the B, B flat. Now I need a D. Yeah, that's good. Doesn't violate. Oh no, look. Oh, completely forgot about this. No, I completely forgot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's parallel fifth. Can't have those. So we have to do it entirely differently. The only other note that would work is a D. I'm actually having quite a hard time with this, because originally I wrote the no more than an octave between upper adjacent 3 voices rule. And by the way, if I double the B and then have a D here, and F, and then a B, that would be like actually no B. If I like doubled the B here, put a D here, and put an F here, ignore that bottom one, that's a mistake. It'd be exactly the same as this. Because these two D's, they're the same exact note. So we have to get creative here. And what we have to do is, I don't know. I'm stumped. So let me think for a second. Try coming up with a solution on your own too. The soprano line should be different in each solution. So all I have to do is change the soprano line, but how would I do that? Can't be a B or an F, so it has to be a D. It has to be this note. I'm going to... I also been told that, like, when there's... I really don't know what is ruled. There shall you have no more than an octave between upper-days and free voices. I've been also told that it only means, like, no octave between alto and tenor, and no octave or more between soprano and alto, but not all three. So I'm going to go with the solution I had before. For F, it is a different F, so it doesn't matter that these are both Fs. F here, D here, and actually keep the F and have a B, have a D. Alright, that works. That's good. It's good. So now I'm going to erase the answers here. And you should do number 2. This one on your own. Because you need to practice them to learn it, and definitely not because I am lazy. So let me erase my answers and work through them again. You'll still see them, but just pretend you can't. You make sure the papers aligned with the camera. Alright. E minor, that's the same as G major, 1 sharp. And I just wrote that down here. Make myself remember. a minor 1 chord above E. Now that would be E, and a minor, now just a chord, not just a chord above E would be E, G, B. And now we'd have to make it above a minor. We have to make it a minor chord. E to G is a minor third, and G to B is a major third. So that's just, we got right there, E, G, B. Now this is an E, so we just need a G, a B, and another E. So I added a G here, a B here, and an E. No parallel thirds or fifths or nothing. We're looking good. Now a 6th chord above E would be E. Now a 6th above E would be E, F, G, A, B, C. So we have to start with a C major chord. So we have that right here. C, E, G. C to E is a major third. E to G is a minor third. Major C chord. So we just need, starts on C, we need an E, a G, and another C. So I kept a tenor line the same here because we want that. That's part of the rules where it should be born in conjunct. And it's just a good thing to keep it because it'll make you less up mess in the future. C and G. I'm gonna put C here to have that doubled. E and G. We already got a G, now we need an E. Doesn't look like it breaks any rules, cool. Minor 4 chord. 4th above E would be E, F, G, A. A minor 4 chord would be A, C, E. A to C is minor third, C to E is major third. Have an A here. I just put a C here. Another A here. And an E here. No parallel anything really. Yeah, looks good. 5th above E. Well, this thing is, we can just copy off of what we are given. We have a B. And this copying thing, it will happen when you see it in a wild and stuff. When you're not giving anything, you'll probably see something where like you're given something and then you'll be like, oh, we can do the same exact thing here. So we have a D, F. Now, in the 5 chord, E, F, G, A, B, we have B, D, F. And a major 5 chord would be B, D sharp, F sharp. So we put sharp on D. Last one, 6. By the way, no rule breakers here. Last one, 6. It's the same exact thing. Just put a G. Then you make a half note, not chord note. We have a C there. Put a C. And an E. No rules, parallel thirds between those are okay. These two move down, and it's good. This is good. So, let me write this in so it's more visible. Yeah, this looks good. So, that's it, basically. So, bye.